These three training techniques will add intensity to your biceps training and create some additional stimulus for growth. These techniques are ideal for a bit more advanced individuals or for people that struggle with pushing their biceps hard enough. So instead of doing more sets of biceps curls and adding more volume, you can save yourself some extra time by simply adding more intensity to the sets that you're already doing. The first one is cluster sets. So basically, instead of resting for 1 or 2 minutes between the sets, like you usually would, you just pick up the weights after 10 to 15 seconds and just keep going. Now you'll be able to squeeze just a couple of reps until you reach failure again. Then you drop the weights again and you can keep doing this a couple of times. So for example, you can complete your first set, then do 2 or 3 extra cluster sets and then rest for like 2 minutes like you normally would between the regular sets. And then keep using the same techniques for all the other sets. The reason why this works is because we know that these last couple of reps are the ones that count the most. So after resting for only 10 seconds, when you pick up the weights, you will already be in that effective zone of few reps close to failure. Treating curls are the second technique. Here's how it's done. First, you start your set with the normal strict technique, and once you reach failure, you can use a little bit of momentum to lift the weights up and then control it on the way down. Keep going with these treating curls until your arms are absolutely fried and you can't keep going anymore. Although be careful when you're doing it and definitely avoid leaning too much backwards because you can hurt your lower back. The final technique we're using here is supersetting regular curls with drag curls. So once you reached failure with the regular biceps curls, you can continue with the drag curls right away. Basically, you will pull in the straight line right up your body by driving your elbows back behind the torso. Make sure to get the full flexion on the top to really squeeze your biceps. You will see that you have so much more energy left. It's a nice way to add intensity and push beyond failure.